as ordained, I have taken the theme from the Gospel of St. Luke. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. He has anointed me to preach the good news to the poor. And it is my conviction that we must become good news to the poor, the abandoned youth, the Don Bosco way. So one of the main aim of our mission is to rescue, liberate, educate and rehabilitate child laborers and street children. So with this purpose, we identify the child who is working or child who is on the street, who is exploited in various ways.
Yeah, it's kind of a slavery because the children are being exploited in the sense that only the parents are paid for the work that they do, whereas the children are not paid. Then there is the domestic child labor, that is children who are working in homes, washing dishes, washing clothes, etc. That is all very much not seen by the society.
ಡಾನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೋ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಸಿಡಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ.
ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ 60-70 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡೋರು, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 100 ಕೊಡೋರು ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಮಾಗಡಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಬರ್ದಾರ್ರಿ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಂತ ಇವನ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದಾರ.
ಭಾಳ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಗಾಢ ಎದ್ದು ಗಾಢ ಸಗಣಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಒಬ್ಬನ ಆಟಕ್ಕಂದು ಎಮ್ಮೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಭಾರಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗದ್ರಿ.
Education is the best way to empower every child, and that's our conviction. The bridge course is the form of educating the child according to his or her learning level. In some cases, children themselves are not interested in learning. They don't cooperate. Their parents don't cooperate. They're happy with the little money they receive on the spot.
What happens to a child laborer is that he grows up as an adult and the cycle of child labor still continues because they are not able to understand why their children need to be educated. So we need to develop a rapport with the parents so that the parents build up a kind of trust in the institution that their child will be looked after very well.
With the consent of the parent and the child, we bring the child to our residential Bridge Course Center, and our social workers counsel the child to motivate him to pursue his education, to give up his life of exploitation, life of labor, and enjoy his childhood. So we want to restore the lost childhood to the child. So in this program, every child is accepted at that level. So this child who is a dropout, who has not experienced learning process, has to accept the value of education.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತಾನಾಕ್ರಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಓದೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮುಂದೆನೂ ನಾನು ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
After 1 year of bridge course, we admit the child to mainstream school. We also do continuous follow-up our children by visiting their family, by visiting the hostel and school in which they study. Every year, 2 months of summer camp is organized for past students to motivate them further, develop in their personality and organize various skill training programs further. So continuous follow-up and support of our past students is another major program of our organization.
ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ರಮ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಅಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
We also have to play a major role in transforming society, in challenging social systems which does great harm to development and education of every child. And we also must focus on promoting rights, and all our approach should be right-based, not welfare approach. Therefore, we reach out to village community, slum community, where we identify the various stakeholders in the community. And we form a task force which will work towards preventing child labor and promoting children's rights. Besides this, we also formed more than 400 child care clubs in different government schools of Davangere district to empower and educate children about child rights and how they themselves can play a dominant role in reaching out to other children who are school dropout or child laborers. Therefore, children become active agents of social change.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತರೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
From the very beginning, Breads has come forward to support most of our program, and the staff really visit our organization, monitor our program, and also constantly collaborate, encourages and support us here. And I must say, Breads is playing a great role and making a model of transformation of society which will take care of children and promote children's rights. Rescuing so many children and educating and rehabilitating and making them happy in our center, seeing their success give me a lot of joy.